So Billy can paint a room in 3 days, and Bob can do the same job in 2 days. How long will it take if they paint the room together? Well, believe it or not, this is very much like a problem that's distance equals rate times time. Because in a way, this is telling you how fast Billy works, and this is telling you how fast Bob works. So both of those are giving you a rate, how fast they work. And time, of course, will be in days, but it's not going to be a distance, it's going to be a job. So instead of distance equals rate times time, it's going to be work equals rate times time. Okay, so if Billy can paint a room in 3 days, then we need to know what is his daily rate. So each day, if it takes him 3 days total, each day he would then be 1/3 done. So for Billy, the rate is going to be that he gets 1/3 of it done every day. And then for Bob, it takes him 2 days to do a job, so his rate is he gets half of it done each day. Half done the first day, half done the second day. So then the amount of work would be 1/3 times t for Billy. The amount of work that Bob does is 1/2 times t. Now all of this has been them separate as two different people. Now what if they work together? Well, if they work together, then we need to add their works. His work and his work, add them together. So for Billy, it's 1/3 t that equals his work, plus 1/2 t. And then, what does it equal? Well, what it equals is they're painting a room. So that is one job. So this is saying he can do a job in 3 days. He could do the same job in 2 days. How long would it take for that one job if they were to work together? So it means you add them together, it equals one job. Now, if this would have said how long would it take them to paint 7 rooms if they work together, that's going to be 7. But if it's just one job or one room, the room, it's going to be 1. Okay, now we have fractions. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can get a least common denominator, which would be a 6. Change this one to 2/6 and this to 3/6 and continue from there. Or what you can do is take that least common denominator, 6, and multiply every term by it. And what this does, once you reduce, is it gets rid of the fractions. So for this first one, 3 divides into 6 2 times, so this would leave 2t. For this one, 2 divides into 6 3 times, so this one's 3t, equals 6. So now just add them together. We've got 5t equals 6. Next, divide. T is equal to 6/5, or this would be 1 1/5, or it would be 1.2 in decimal form. So let's see, what are the units? We solve for t, so that's time. In this problem, the time is given in days, so that means that it would be 1.2 days. And to me, this makes a lot of sense, because if this guy takes 2 full days to do it, and then his partner comes to help him, it's going to take way less than 2 days. It's going to take just a little bit over 1 day. 1.2 days.